If you're considering selling on Amazon, you've probably heard the term Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. This service simplifies your logistics by handling your product's storage, packing, and shipping. But here's the big question. How much does Amazon FBA cost? Amazon FBA has several fees that vary based on your product's type, size, and weight. Let's break these costs into 4 main categories. 1. Referral fee. The referral fee is a percentage of Amazon's selling price for listing your product on its platform. For example, Shagun, a jewelry designer, sells her necklaces for 4,000 rupees each. Jewelry has one of the higher referral fee rates, so a percentage of every sale goes to Amazon as a commission. 2. Fulfillment fee. This fee covers the cost of picking, packing, and shipping your products. It depends on your product's weight and dimensions. The fulfillment fee is moderate for lightweight items like jewelry or small electronics. However, larger, heavier products will have higher costs. 3. Storage fee. Amazon charges a monthly fee to store your products in its warehouse. The fee is based on the space your inventory occupies, measured in cubic feet. For someone like Shagun, storing 50 necklaces might cost a small amount monthly, but larger inventories or slow-moving products can add up over time. 4. Shipping to FBA centers. Before Amazon can fulfill your orders, you must send your inventory to their FBA centers. Shipping costs vary based on your location, the FBA center's location, and the volume of products you send. Shagun saves on these costs by shipping her necklaces in bulk rather than smaller, frequent shipments. Let's use Shagun's jewelry business as an example. Here's what her costs might look like. Meet Shagun, a jewelry maker selling necklaces on Amazon using FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. But how much does she earn per necklace? Let's break it down. First, Amazon charges a referral fee, typically 15% of the product price. For a 4,000 rupee necklace, that's 600 rupees. Next, the fulfillment fee for packing and shipping is 450 rupees for a 200-gram item. Then there's a storage fee of 8 rupees per unit for keeping her necklaces in Amazon's warehouse. Finally, the cost of shipping to FBA centers is 150 rupees per necklace when sent in bulk. Adding it all up will be 1,208 rupees. So, after FBA costs, Shagun earns 2,792 rupees per necklace before production expenses. With FBA, she focuses on her craft, while Amazon handles the rest. Want to grow your business like Shagun? Start your FBA journey today. Now let's talk about how you can keep your costs manageable. Focus on lighter, high-value items to save on storage and shipping fees. Ship in bulk to reduce per-unit shipping costs. Monitor sales trends to avoid overstock fees by quickly storing only what you can sell. Amazon FBA is a great way to simplify your shipping process and reach more customers. While there are some fees, knowing these costs can help you set the right prices and earn more profit. Whether you're like Shagun with handcrafted jewelry or selling a completely different product, knowing the costs of Amazon FBA is the first step to growing your business on Amazon. Learn more about selling online with Ship Global. Happy shipping!